In this video, I will teach you step by step how you can get the best signals ever using Flux Charts Premium. I'm Borsa. I've been trading more than 8 years and I have blown accounts, passed challenges, pulled 6-figure payouts, and my only goal is to get your first or next payout ASAP. The full disclaimer here, I'm not cherry picking. This is the latest signals using my own settings. Soon you will learn how to do that. This is the sell signal, smash the target. Buy signal, smash the target. Buy signal, sell signal. So you can see that all these signals, right, smash through the targets. First thing you need to do is go to indicators tab and you will search for Flux Charts and you will see SVX algo and you will see the price action toolkit. This is only 2 indicators you need to get these signals. And if you still don't have the Flux Charts, use code BORSA to get the best discount ever on the internet. After you add it, you should see something like this. I will get into settings later in these videos. We have a couple of rules, right? We are not taking every signal on the chart. So what do we have on the chart here? Order block, OB means order block, BB means breaker block, IFG means inversion fair value gap, and the FVG means the fair value gaps. You need to know only these 4 concepts. If you don't know, there is a playlist in my channel called the Ultimate Trading Bootcamp. Go and watch the specific video. I will also attach in the description. Let's say you are trading on the New York session like me, which is cool, okay? So time is now 9:31. The market just opened. Let's mark it, okay? So you need to be patient. You need to wait, opportunity present itself. Market open, and what we are looking for is the signal, okay? We will have 3 rules. Let's start with the first one. 3 rules for high win rate. The first rule is the signal, okay? If you get the strong one is better, obviously. The second one is FVG or IFG. The third one is order block or the breaker block. Okay, so these are the 3 rules that will help you payouts. Don't complicate the things. Just make it simple and repeatable. And this is what I'm gonna teach you now. What we are waiting for is the signal. You need to zoom out before you zoom in. Flux Charts gave the buy signal, okay, in the London session. And we can see that the first TP is successfully hit after some chop. And what do we have is the price created this high and this higher low over here. Quite simple. And it's created this bullish fair value gap and it inverted. Now it's a IFG. So we can clearly understand that market most probably done with the upside. So we can easily look for shorts and you will be zooming out and you can see that there are targets, right? So you have this target, easy. It's even the 2-year-old kid can do this. And this target, quite easy. We're good on this, right? So now we will zoom into chart because we have the targets now. We will just wait for the signal because that's the first rule. What do we have here? The strong sell signal. This is what we want to see, right? So the first rule, remember the rules. The first rule is check. The second rule is FVG or IFG. Do we have it? It's quite easy to understand, okay? What do you see on the chart? Yes, there is a FVG just before the signal. This is what you want to have. And there are some simple reasons for that, and I'm going to explain in 30 seconds. The second rule is order block or the breaker block. What do you have here? The breaker block. You also have the IFG here. This signal is quite powerful. Why the FVG is important before the signal? Because you can use as a stop loss. If this fair value gap returns to IFG, you are not interested with this position anymore. So it's now good to go. We will go with 5 contracts. Okay, quite easy, right? So now Flux Charts is giving a beautiful take profit levels. What do you want to do? You can use those. Okay, this is the final TP, which is gonna give us the $13,000. It's not hard, I promise you. So the risk is nearly $6,500. It is more than 2-hour trade. Now we will roll the market to see if we get stopped out or if we make money. Remember, I'm not cherry picking, okay? You can just go back and back test it, and there's a 7-day risk-free option in the Flux Charts Premium. So the second TP hit. As a wise trader, what you want to do is just took off 2 contracts, because you have to always pay yourself. Market can always come and stop you out, and you end up making no money. Even you can lose money. So to avoid this, we are taking some partial here, because we love partials. We love to pay ourselves, and this is what we did now. So the final TP is at 575, more or less, and we are riding this trade. And what you want to do is, after you take partial, you will put your stop loss at break even or above break even, whichever you want. So since we captured some profits, I will just put it above my execution here. So we will roll the market to see if we get the full TP or not. Let's see, and boom, we have secured more than $10,000. 5 contracts. Is it too much? No. If you're trading with 150k account, it's completely normal. Is it achievable? Yes. Remember, the best session to trade is the New York session. It opened at 9:30 and you can trade till 11. You can look for signals between 9:30 to 11 a.m. After that, you are done with the whole New York session. So there is one more confirmation you can use while you're riding the trade, which is this beautiful red cloud over here. As long as it sits still on the red, you can keep riding it. When it returns to blue like this, okay, you are out of the position. Please now be honest. Is it hard to do? No. We are not just following the signals. We are using price action with the signals. And that's the reason why this strategy is so powerful. Now, I will show you my thousands of times backtested settings. Are you ready? Let's go to settings. Let's start with the SVX algo, and what you want to do is change your trading style to day trader. Trend length is the medium term, sensitivity is 13. You don't have to use the AI sensitivity optimizer. This settings is optimized for 1 minute, okay? So good to go. And you can copy everything you see here, just hit the OK button. Now let's go to settings for the price action toolkit, and this is very important and it is highly powerful indicator. You want to enable the fair value gaps, inversion fair value gaps, order blocks, breaker blocks. Right, yes, because these are our best friends. If you want, you can enable buy side and sell side liquidity. The reason is you can easily find the targets, but you can just zoom out and see where it's high and low. It's optional. If you want, you can use. You can enable the sessions if you can't memorize which sessions open at which time. It's quite useful. And most importantly, you have to enable MTF highs and lows, daily, weekly, monthly, pre-market. Why? Because you can use those levels as a beautiful target. Remember, without the liquidity, without a target, your position is worthless. Keep that in mind. So after you've done everything, just hit the OK button. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my other Flux Charts videos here, and until the next time, see you soon.